Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Got this box from my Snap-on dealer. Thank you, Snappy. He said this is a special gift. I have no idea what's in it. The only thing he told me was, he said you open this. He said you go to the other box, take the tool off the top, and you open this other box that's a Snap-on box. So let's just open it up and find out what it is. Like a kid at Christmas, you know. And of course, to open it I have to use my Snap-on utility knife, which I think is awesome. Self-retracting. Yeah, I know, sound like a Snap-on commercial, but anyhow, let's open this up. Alright, oh, that's pretty neat. Let's just dump it out here. Oh, maybe not. Alright. To, from, tools for the handle. Hope it can be turned upside down. Alright, turn it right side up. Huh. Odd. The one hinge is a little like me, unhinged. Alright, so oh well, I should go out and get a Snap-on power tool to open this. That's what I should do, but we'll do it like he suggested. So we'll take this and get the handle out of here. Pretty nice. Snap-on. Well, let's put this baby in here. So I guess this is what I'm supposed to do. Actually, I should go get the, maybe go get the reciprocating saw and just cut it apart. So this is a pretty neat little box though, a little crate, isn't it? Snap-on. I don't know if we have to take them. Oh no, we don't. We don't have to take them all the way out. So, oh man, it's freaking broke. There's a screw. There's 2 screws missing. Jesus. Well, they're not missing. There they are. There's one. The other one fell in there. So let's set them to the side and lose them like I normally do. We'll fish the other one out. Oh, cool. All right. The other screw fell down in there. Ha! Snap-on coasters, pint glasses, wrench bottle opener, deck of playing cards, dice set, and a screwdriver. Freaking awesome. Okay, let's open it up. We can use our special tool to tighten the hinges back up, right? So that's what was in it. We'll set that to the side. Here's another box. Cool. Set. Oh, there's another screw. Don't go nowhere. Alright, we recouped a couple of them. Alright, here's the bottom. Alright, let's go right to the bottom one. Then we'll open the other one. It's like freaking Christmas, man. Okay, cool. Snap-on coaster set. That's pretty neat. Got 4 of them. And there are our, oh cool, 2 decks of Snap-on playing cards. Alright, well that's pretty cool. Don't play much cards anymore, but it's pretty neat. We'll toss them back in there. Oh, dice in a 3/4 socket. Hey, we can play Yahtzee. I don't know, you play what? Poker with those somehow? I don't know. Been a long time since I've done any of that. Maybe I'll take it to TST up in New York with me and we'll play poker with rolling the dice. Alright, so that's that. So, let's open up the other one. This is a pretty neat set, man. Okay, cool. Well, we'll take out one of the glasses. Snap-on. 1995. Wonder if that date has any significance other than this set's that old. Oh, 1923. Oh, now I'm getting it. The design. Yes, Snap-on 1923. Changing the Snap-on design. What's this one? Oh, cool. Snap-on Tools 1950. Now, you want to watch me drop one of these, don't you? I don't think I had this one out. Snap-on 1948. That's pretty cool. So, that's pretty neat. Thank you, Eric. That's my Snap-on dealer. Good guy. Always does well for me. Once again, this was his little surprise gift. I like that. Here we got the coasters, pint glasses. Hey, wait a minute. Wrench bottle opener. Did we see that? Aha! Good thing I read that. I didn't want to miss it. Ha ha! Awesome. Awesomeness. Alright. Okay, maybe I'll take all this along with me when I go to TST. Then that way we can like party, have this in the room, have our opener, the whole works. So, alright, that's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna put a couple screws in here in our hinges. We'll tighten the one down here right. Whoa, that looks a little big, don't it? Ooh, there we go. Yeah, it gives you a tool to even fix the friggin' box. Now that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll find the other screw laying in there. I'll get some big drywall screws and slam down through there. So that's pretty neat. Won't hold you guys up any longer. I'll finish this after I get out of here. So anyhow, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.